Demonstration on the 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This one is the 2.5-inch citrus. It's round and it has details on both the bottom plate and the top plunger. So we're going to start by taking our outer shell and placing it on top of the bottom plate and filling this just a little bit. We're going to give some gentle pushes so that the design comes out. You don't have to press hard, just slightly. And then continue filling as normal, giving it some shakes in between so that all of the bath bomb mixture gets down into the cracks and crevices. If you are concerned about your bath bomb floating or sinking, take a chopstick or any type of a long-handled anything, spoon, whatever you have laying around, and give it some pokes. Just top off the top there just a little bit and give it some more shakes. Now we're going to take our top plunger with the design and we're going to turn it upside down, stick it on top of the mold, and we're going to start giving it some pushes. And turn after every push. Give it a turn so that everything is evenly distributed. Take your spoon and give it some taps around the outside shell. Some taps on the top plunger. Turn it over and give some taps on the bottom plate. Now we're going to lift straight up with the bottom plate and go slow because we don't want to ruin the design. Fingers underneath, thumbs on top. We're going to push up on the plunger with our bottom fingers. Take your cardboard, stick it on top, and turn the whole thing over. And now we're going to lift straight up with our plunger and go slow. Again, we don't want to ruin the design. And there we have the 2.5-inch citrus mold from the Maker Shop. And you can paint this any way you want to and have this be a lemon, a lime, an orange, a grapefruit, whatever type of citrus you would like. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so you can purchase this or any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.